Deep learning is a set of algorithms, combinations of math and code, that loosely resemble neurons in the human brain. Deep learning can achieve human-level accuracy on tasks like image recognition, voice recognition, and predictive analytics. It's basically machine perception. We have given machines eyes and ears and an intuition of the future. Deep neural networks map inputs to outputs. They find correlations between those two sets of data. Companies are applying deep learning for machine translation, speech-to-text, facial recognition, voice recognition, sentiment analysis, predictive maintenance, and healthcare. Deep learning performs 3 kinds of analysis: classification, clustering, and prediction. Classification could be putting names to faces or applying a spam filter to email. Clustering could be image search, uploading a product photo and finding similar products, or text clustering like uploading a legal document and finding related texts. Predictions could be using a stream of current data to anticipate the future based on an understanding of historical patterns. This can be applied to vital statistics in healthcare, or stock price action in securities, or market forecasts for national economies. That's it. Deep learning solves a lot of hard problems better than we've ever solved them before. It also provides a basis for new products and business lines, because it lowers the cost of thinking, unlocks value in data we're already collecting, and makes it possible for small teams of analysts to process much more data. Come talk to us. Visit skymind.ai to learn more.